Arrive in style with this 2014 Ram 1500Z. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include rear bench seat, ABS, AM/FM stereo, traction control, AC, engine, 5.7L V8 Hemi MDS VVT incorporated, electronically controlled throttle Hemi badge dual rear exhaust with bright tips GVWR, 6,800 pounds next generation engine controller heavy-duty engine cooling heavy-duty transmission oil cooler, and 4-wheel disc brakes. If you are looking for a new truck, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.